All right, y'all, Abe here with Our Home, North Carolina, and I'm bringing you to a fantastic home that we just closed today, 1.5 million. And I just wanted to take the time to kind of show you all around. Sorry if it looks like I'm really sweating. We were just in here chucking all the old owner stuff out before the new buyers came in. I'm gonna show you around before the house gets filled back up. This house, beautiful. 5-bedroom, 7-bathroom, nearly 5,000 square feet in Forest Creek, one of the premier communities here in all of Moore County. Downstairs, you have over 1,000 square feet of just extra awesome living space. We're talking, you have a dedicated billiards place, you have a huge TV, you've got 2 bedrooms, you've got 2 full bathrooms, you've got a kitchenette down here. Obviously, you have access to the downstairs deck with another 600-foot slab right on the outside for you to just do any of the barbecuing that you want. Wine rack, wine cooler, and you have this awesome ostrich print wall painting that you have to see in person to really believe. You want to talk about that bougie lifestyle upstage paint. Right here you have textured paint in the bathroom. It's amazing. It even looks better in person. It's tough to see, but you have to come and see it whenever you come and visit this house. One of my favorite rooms in this whole entire house. Come on through. Huge built-in office, 12-foot ceilings, everything you could possibly want. And then as you come into the master bedroom, absolutely stunning. Huge vaulted ceiling, wood ceiling panels up top, a great fan feature, just a great sized room overlooking your 1.5 acres that's completely private in the back. Not only that, you have your own private deck entrance here. Perfect for those North Carolina summers. So up here we have an awesome bonus room, 700 square feet of just anything you want. Pool table, shuffleboard, you want to turn this into your own theater or gym, anything you want up here. This space is your oasis. Whatever you can dream, you can do. And one of the best parts about the upstairs space is that you have your own full bathroom as well. And so, as I alluded to earlier, 7 bathrooms in this ginormous house. Huge 3-car garage. We're talking almost 1,000 square feet of just space in here. For your 2 cars, all your toys, and you have an extra pad right on the outside for anything you might buy. Who's that guy from Jurassic Park? What did they say? No expense spared, right? I think that's what he says in Jurassic Park. Give me a white hat and then some like white linen shirts, and that's what I would say with this house. No expense spared. No dinosaurs though. Maybe in the back you might find some North Kakalaki animals, but that's about it.